Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! Okay. So right now, okay, Jaden and Johan received a gift. Actually, it's last Christmas. It's a gift from their friend. It's Galerie with chocolate. It's milk chocolate and painting gift. So this kit it includes 6 pieces of milk chocolate figures here. These are the 6 pieces with chocolate figures with snowflakes chocolate. What's this? What's this? Gingerbread. Yeah. How about this one? It's a bell. Okay. And then what else? It includes 4 pieces of colored paint chocolates. So this one is color white chocolate paint. This one is color blue chocolate paint. And this one is color red chocolate paint. The last is green chocolate paint. And of course, it includes 2 brushes. It's color green brush and red brush. So, guys, are you ready to start?
Yeah!
Okay. So this Galerie all chocolate, okay, is a family activity. Okay, there should be a supervision of an adult recommended while doing this activity, guys. Also, before opening this package, you should follow the microwave instruction for the chocolate paint. So let's read, guys. This is the microwave instructions. Number 1 is we should take out the 4 colored ornaments and place them in the 4 individual microwave dishes. And this is important. Heat for 30 seconds on medium stir microwave with 15 seconds intervals until fluid. Be careful not to burn the chocolate. Be careful not to burn the chocolate, Johan, okay? Okay, next is paint, eat, and enjoy! Okay?
Yeah.
Are you ready to open this package?
Yeah!
Okay. Okay, so now we will open the package. But before that, we have ready our 4 small dishes for our paint. Show to them. Show to them, Jaden. So the package comes with this. Okay. The package comes with this. Just wait, Jaden. Okay, here. Put it there. Then, don't forget. This one, I'll give it to you, Jaden, Johan. Okay. This one, blue. We'll put on the small dish. Okay. Put it, Jaden.
A red one?
The red one. Yes. Okay.
I want the green.
Okay. Okay, the 4 small dishes are inside. So close it, Jaden. Close it. Okay. Very good. Close. So, okay. Slow. So we put it in 30 seconds only. Okay. Let's wait. It's 30 seconds. Then after 15 seconds, we'll open. Let's see if it smells. Okay. Unfortunately, the red one got burned, but it's okay. You still have 3 colored chocolate paint. Okay? So, what do you want? What design you want, Johan?
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread. Here you go. Yeah, okay. Start. How about you, Jaden? What design you want? The snowflake circle, right? Here you go. Here's the snowflake circle. Wow, it's nice. Okay. Go ahead, Jaden. Paint now. Good job. How about Jaden? Let's look at Jaden's work. Wow, it's a snowflake, so it's like color blue.
It's green.
So remember, guys, be careful with the microwave because our red got burned.
The red is good.
So make sure that follow the instructions very well. Look at Jaden. Wow. That's so artistic, Jaden. Okay? You know how to paint. Awesome. You're doing a great job, guys.
It's changing.
Wow, now Johan is faster, huh? You're getting faster, Johan. Okay, guys, can I see what you have done? Is it done, Johan?
Yes.
Wow.
Let's get it.
Well, it doesn't matter, okay? As long as you're enjoying with your
Okay.
painting, okay? Okay, now, can you try it now? Wow. Wow. You take the first bite. How about you, Jaden? Can I look at your work? Wow, great work.
Can I
Well,
eat snow?
yes, it's a snowflakes. You can eat snowflakes now, Jaden. You can try it. As I have said a while ago, it doesn't matter, okay? Even if our paints are ruined. What matters is you enjoy your activity. Are you enjoying your activity? Do you like it? You like the chocolate? Wow, fantastic. Oh, add some more? You add some more chocolate paint? Okay, good job. Good job. What it tastes like? So, is it delicious? Is it tasty? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
What does it taste like? Taste like? Taste like, well, very good. Okay, so tell your subscribers, come on guys, let's eat some chocolate. Yum, yum, yum. So, I will give you a 2 thumbs up and a great job well done, okay, for your activity today, okay? So now, let's try our chocolate. Does it taste good? Can I taste? Can I taste it then? I'll take a bite. Mmm. Mmm. The chocolate is delicious. So creamy, so it nicely melts in my mouth, and also the artistic painting that they have done, it will level up your chocolate here. So good job, Jaden. Can I taste your chocolate, Johan? Mmm. Mmm. As I've said, it's so delicious. And plus the painting that Johan did, wow, it's so enticing to eat this one. So thumbs up, guys. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy our video for today about painting the chocolate. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, this is Team L'Oreal, and don't forget to please like and subscribe. Bye. God bless everyone. In the sun.
Mwah.